the fighter in the red corner. He weighed in at 110 pounds. Our challenger from Thailand. He was born and raised in Surin, Thailand. He's 25 years old. He has a record of 12 wins, 5 by knockout, 1 loss, and 1 draw. He is rated number 1 in Thailand, and the OPBF rated number 3 flyweight. Ladies and gentlemen from Thailand, Panom Det Sivangcha. And ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter in the blue corner. He weighed in at 111 pounds. He was born and raised in General Santos City, Philippines. He's 18 years old. He has a record of 21 wins, 13 by knockout, 1 loss. WBC rated number 7 and WBA rated number 9. And the OPBF champion flyweight, ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao. Ronnie, this is again first announced test for Manny Pacquiao. Ed, kung nakikita mo yung mga tao yan, halos lahat na yan. Nagpunta rito hindi para kay Luisito. Because this guy is a hometown boy, Manny Pacquiao.
Totoo yan, native of South Cotabato. Actually, ang kanyang bayan is just a few kilometers down from the poblacion of Coronadal. And Governor Hilario de Pedro III was telling us that Manny Pacquiao here got a hero's welcome when they arrived here. As a matter of fact, yung mga kamag-anak niya are also here in full force.
This is a long-awaited homecoming because Manny Pacquiao has done his campaign in Metro Manila. Actually, he won this championship last June in Mandaluyong under the auspices of Mayor Ben Abalos. Doon siya nanalo sa Mandaluyong. Tinalo niya si Chukchay Battery with a 5th round knockout. Although pa rin yung laban na yun, medyo nahihirapan si Manny Pacquiao sa katawan dahil binabayo siya ng binabayo sa loob. Ano? Pero fortunately, tumama siya ng isa sa
noo.
Oo, sa noo. At
nahilo yung si
talagang
3K Battery.
Nagsulungkit yung mataatan ng kalaban. Hindi na.
Actually, Reka, alam mo, itong si Manny Pacquiao, natural lang na maging popular dito sa South Cotabato. Pero sa buong Pilipinas, alam natin, nakilala ang galing at gilas nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Round number 1 is underway, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Well, Pacquiao is a fighter in the red trunks, and the Thai Singwan Cha is in the white trunks. Both of them are southpaws. Of course, Pacquiao likes to go for an early knockout. He's got a record of 21 wins, 13 by KO. He lost only once, and he hasn't drawn a fight, so he's a very, very aggressive fighter.
Well, he's already at it, Ronnie, and the crowd here already loving the action that they've seen so far. He's leading off with his right, but Singwang Cha also connects with his right of his own.
Yes, Manny Pacquiao waiting for the right and then the left, but the Thai caught him with a good right.
Ronnie, unfortunately dito ang kumukuha ng katawan si Manny Pacquiao dahil I expected the Thai to go for the body, having learned from his
Pacquiao connection.
That was a
Beautiful
good left.
Left-right combination there by Manny Pacquiao, and he's trying to go for the kill.
Yes, he connect with a good left uppercut, and Singwan Cha is in a little bit of trouble. Pacquiao going after him. You know, it's a very hot afternoon, and I hope this boy doesn't punch himself out. He's got to put Singwan Cha away early.
Well, Singwang Cha himself is full of heart, Ronnie. He's getting hit, but he is also hitting back.
Malalakas yung binibitawan ni Pacquiao. Nakita mo yung kung paano mag-snap yung ulo nung Thai, ano?
Ito, nako, medyo nahihilo na, Reka.
Ala, kinukuha sa katawan eh. Tama.
Ayun na.
Wala na, kinuha sa katawan eh.
Well, Manny Pacquiao was hitting almost at will. Singwan Cha trying gamely as Bruce McTavish, the referee, counts him out.
It's all over.
Oh, spectacular first round win by Manny Pacquiao.
And look at the
before
crowd.
Adoring hometown or townmates here in Coronadal, South Cotabato.
And look at the crowd.
Halos hindi pinawisan itong si Manny Pacquiao. At talaga namang tuwang-tuwa ang siguro mga 20,000 mga tao na naririto ko maaga pa lamang sa South Cotabato Sports Complex. Manny Pacquiao, the hometown hero, certainly not disappointing his townmates, Reka.
Well, it's Independence Day, Christmas, and New Year all rolled into one. Look at the crowd erupting for their hometown boy. It's a holiday out here right now.
Well, the Thai boxer, as we said, tried gamely to slug it out with Manny Pacquiao. Pero siguro ang ratio ng tamaan doon, Reka, mga 10 ni Manny, mga 2 lang para doon sa Thai.
Actually, ang in-expect nyo, dahil nakausap kayo mga taga-Thai, nakita nila yung inilaro ni Pacquiao dun sa Ketchup Chai Battery last June. Nahihirapan sa katawan si Manny, pero ito, si Manny, binaliktad niya yung lamesa at siyang kumuha sa katawan.
Ayan po, nakita na po ninyo ang huling mga sandali ng labang ito. We show it to you again. There's a big left and a right there to the body. Kinatawan muna, Reka, pagkatapos dinala sa itaas at tumupi na lamang itong si Sing Wang Cha. Manny Pacquiao was a brilliant display of boxing ability, crisp punching, and going for it all the way. Here's the official announcement.
1 minute and 38 seconds in the first round. Winner by knockout. And still the OPBF champion, Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, sensational KO in the first round.
And here's
Manny